Hey everyone, today is a new nails video, quite like nails video, but actually this is a video where I am replying some of your comments here on my channel because I love to reply everyone. So yeah, let's start. Just look a little bit at my nails right before starting. And today the nails are not with nail polish. They are just like this, clear. For those who don't know, I like them very much clear in a natural look, but I do like nail polish. It's just that I don't wear it a lot. Okay, so let's start with this one. I must say your nails look very beautiful in natural state, but very beautiful in red too. Love them. That is just what I say. So thanks a lot. I really love the nails clear, natural look, but it is true that nail polish shine bright on my nails. Hehe. Good. I love those sounds, they are pretty good. And today, as you can see, there is no much noise actually on the street, so I can do quite like ASMR for you. This person says again, your beautiful long nails look amazing with red. Thanks for sharing. Thanks a lot. The red was a fantastic color for my nails. It was pretty difficult to take it off though. So thanks a lot. The red was a fantastic color for my nails. It was pretty difficult to take it though. It was really difficult because I was taking it off and then it was a little bit difficult because all the red was like on my fingers. It took like 2 days to take everything off because my nails and fingers was sticked red. Color changes things. Your nails are but gorgeous, polished or not, but red makes always sense. Me gustaron mucho. This is completely true. I'll try to paint them more. This is completely true. I'll try to paint them more. Oh, this person says something that I don't like it. This person requests a video and he says, please video cutting your long fingernails. Oh dear, that won't happen. That won't happen. I'm not cutting my nails in a very long time. I like them longer. So I'm going to say, oh dear, that won't happen. I'm not cutting my nails in a very long time. I like them longer. And I am sure you guys love them longer. Really, that won't happen, at least not yet. Your nails are so sharp. Yes, I sharpen them all the time. I sharpen them all the time. Wonderful. Are you planning on letting them grow even further? Probably yes. But mainly I want the broken ones to reach the length of the others, because as you know, I have some broken nails, like this one here, this one here, this one is about to break here on the side. I just glued it again, and this one is broken. I'm going to glue it again. Oh, and this one. So basically, well, this one is not broken anymore, but it is growing, right? So it's not the same length. And my dream, it is basically that the broken ones reach the length of the others, you know? So yes, I am planning to grow them more, but I also want all of them to be in the same length. So let's see what future brings. Let's see another one here. Oh. Let's see another comments in another video. This person says, I really love the teeth. Beautiful additions. Thank you. I also love the fangs. They are very cute. My fangs. They are very cute, right? Your beautiful long natural nails are amazing. I love the length. Wow. It is very surprising length, right? Actually, it is a very surprising length for natural nails, but I must say that I saw some girls, and it is very rare actually, not everyone has the nails very long, but I saw some girls that has its natural nails longer than mine, and this is a huge, how is the word of that, Oh, I forgot the name. Let's see here. Oh, achievement as or accomplishment. This is a good accomplishment to have the nails so long like that, just natural, like no extensions, not plastic, not anything, but just natural. It is so rare to see very, very, very long natural nails, and it is very hard to take care of them actually. This person says, congratulations about the idea of interacting with your fans the way you're doing. Very little to do what you're doing in this, and this let you be unique and the long nails digital creators. Those are very kind and sweet words. Thanks a lot. I love interacting with my fans. So those are very kind and sweet words. Thanks a lot. I love interacting with you all my fans. I love to interact with you like this, replying something, some kind of comments and those things, you know. And also I'm doing lives so probably I could attach the platform I am doing the lives on here. I am just waiting to start making lives on here too on YouTube. I want to do the lives, but I must reach, if I remember really well, I need to reach more followers. So if you are a person that likes my content but you are not following me, remember to follow me, because I'm posting from time to time things on here, and I also want to do lives and interact with you, you know. So yeah, I am just waiting for YouTube to let me do lives on here, but I am actually doing in other platforms. Probably I'm going to attach it on the description, so stay tuned. Your nails are beautiful as you're beautiful too. The kind of undelicate girl. I hope you let them grow if you want, of course. Yes, this is something that is in my mind. Probably they will grow more. So yes, this is something that is on my mind. Probably they will grow more. Oh, those nails look so beautiful. I love that you have one left natural look. Try not to break anymore. Give them some, I don't know, TLC it is, but thank you. I am taking care of them to avoid any new broken nail. I'm taking care, and I know I have a lot of broken nails. At least it's not all my nails, but yeah, it is sad. actually, because if you see from this hand, only this one is completely broken, and this one it's just a little bit broken on here. I just put it glue and paper to let it to keep it very strong, you know, and avoid to break completely. But for this hand, basically almost all the nails are broken. This one is a plastic nail because I lost the natural one, so I decided to put a plastic nail to have the same length as they grow. This one, it is growing. It's not the same length as the other ones, but it's not broke at the base. And this one I'm going to glue it. So yeah, this hand makes me so sad, but I know they will grow. So yeah, they will grow from time to time. So it will arrive the day where all are in the same length again, and that will be really happy. But I am avoiding to break a new one. That's what I'm trying to say. And what do you think about those sounds? Do you like them? And the sounds of the keyboard. I'm looking here to reply some other comments on my latest videos. This person says in Spanish, que uñas tan bellas me gustan, cuídalas. This means like he likes a lot my nails, and it's same for me to take care of them. So I'm saying, hola, muchas gracias, las estoy cuidando. This means like, hi, thank you so much, I am taking care of them. Beautiful clouds. Clouds like a cat. Thanks. The nails look absolutely stunning. Thank you. They are wonderful. And my huge pride. I am very proud of my nails actually. Even if there's some nails that are broken, they are my everything, you know? I really like them the way they are. And I hope the other ones to grow, really, because the looking of the long nails just make me happy. Like, since I have memory, I always loved the long nails. Even it was like extension or natural, but I loved the look of the long nails. It doesn't matter if they are natural or not, but for me it was just the look of them, like having all that free edge. It was wow, so elegant. And but I don't like to put extensions because it hurts and damage a lot the nails, the natural nail. So I just decided to grow mine, and that was the best decision ever, really. I rather than naturals, but I don't have any how it's the name, I don't have any negative interaction about the fake ones, you know. I also like it, and it was a time in my life that I even used it. But the only thing is that I don't like that damage your natural nail. That's why I decided to grow mine and stop using fake ones, you know, because of the glue really damage your nail. Actually, it depends a lot on the kind of nails that you use, because it has acrylic, it has gel, it has the glass fiber. I don't know if that's the name of that thing, but it has a lot of techniques. But I really think that it doesn't matter the technique, it still damage at some point your nails. So I mean, if you like it and you like to use it, there is nothing wrong with it. You can. I respect that, and they are also really beautiful. But for me personally, I rather to not damage my natural one. One person says, for me, why I don't do why I don't put gel on the top of my nails, like to prevent and to avoid any from them to break, you know, like become stronger and so. But gel, it damage your nail, and it could let them more fragile as you take it out, you know. So I didn't want that, and I said it that it was a good option, but at the same time, no, at all. I don't know if that makes sense, you know, but I didn't want to hurt my nails in any way possible, you know. They are broken, actually, a lot of them, not all, but a lot of my nails are broken, so I don't want them to, how I can say that, I don't want them to become more weak, you know, like the ones that are good. I don't want them to be weaker than they are right now. So I don't know if that could be an option when all of them are completely natural without any repairing job. But yeah, that is something I could think about it, but I am not very sure to do it actually. I'd rather to just put some transparent nail polish, you know, with treatment for weak nails, and just treatment like that to make them stronger. But the gel, it makes me doubt, I don't know. So if you're a person that wears a gel and you really think this doesn't damage your nail, you can let comments and you can say your opinion. I like to read all of that because I can know what is good, what is not just my opinion, you know, because you are from the other side of the screen just hearing me, but I am not hearing you, so I actually don't know what do you think. That's why I like to read all the opinions of yours in the comments, because as we cannot talk like this, you are just hearing me, you are not talking at all with me. So yeah, let the comments, because I like to read, I read all of them and I can reply to them, and you can basically, your comment can appear in one of my videos, so this is really good. I love interacting with you. So yeah, you can let me comments. What do you think? Do you think I should wear gel? Do you think no? Do you think I need to cut my nails, they are too long? Do you think they are just amazing, I need to grow them more? Yeah, everything is fine, everything is welcome, and I appreciate it so much, guys. Okay, I think I'm going to let the video like this. I talk about a lot actually, and I am thirsty now, so I'm going to drink some water. So drink water, you too, because body needs to be hydrated hydrated. I don't know I don't know how to say that, but yeah, it was really good to spend that time with you. Oh, look at the noises. When I am giving you a bite, then all the noises in the street. But that's fine. So yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for all the support and all the comments you let me. I read all of them, so you can let your comment all the time you want. Thanks so much for watching another of my videos, and stay tuned for new videos and probably for lives once the YouTube let me do it, because I'm really excited to do this. That's good. Bye.